After 30 years of pioneering innovation in the pool safety industry, Allsafe Pool Fence is proud to unveil its latest innovation, the U-Safe gate featuring the peg shifter. Let's go through the install process to see how easy this is. Position the box near the holes you have pre-drilled for the gate. You will notice that it comes complete with hinges and latch already installed, radically streamlining the setup involved. Unbox the peg shifter inserts and then pull up the plastic about a foot. Using a number 2 Phillips drive, remove the peg shifter set screw and washers. Slide the peg shifter inserts into each side of the U-Safe frame, with the holes in the peg shifter corresponding with the holes in the U-Safe gate frame. Hold off on securing them at this point. Next, you will line up one side with the stainless steel peg directly over the sleeve. Now let's look at the other side to see if it lines up. If only there was a way to shift this peg about 1/8 of an inch to the inside. Well, don't worry, the U-Safe gate comes with the innovative peg shifter insert. Simply slide the peg shifter out and remove the shim. Turn the peg shifter 180 degrees to the notch side and snap the shim back on. Reinsert the peg shifter with the peg shifted to the right. And then screw both set screws back in. Both peg shifters are adjustable, giving you up to 1/4 inch adjustment. And now the gate simply slides right down into the sleeves. Remove the plastic bag off the U-Safe gate. The TriLatch gate latching system comes with a few parts you will use to complete your installation. Included with the TriLatch are the instructions, set screw cap and set screw, eye screws, quick links, deck plugs, and keys. Let's get started with the eye screws and quick links. Using your cordless drill, remove the top screw from each side of the fence post. With the quick link carabiner attached, turn the eye screw in about 2/3 of the way, and then remove the quick link. Rotate the rectangular bracket and slide the eye screw through the first slot, and then reattach the quick link and turn the eye to the horizontal position. Repeat this on the other side of the gate. You'll notice that you can adjust the tension on the gate frame by moving the eye screw to one of the remaining slots. Next, remove the bottom screw from the bottom latch bracket and then slide the latch body onto the brackets. Make sure the bottom of the latch body lines up with the bottom bracket. Then screw the set screw into the bottom hole and then snap the set screw cap on. To open the gate, you will push down on the red button and then pull up on the black knob, then pull the gate open. To adjust the TriLatch, use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the silver screw on the striker body. Turning it clockwise will send the striker body to the left, and conversely, turning it counterclockwise will send the striker body to the right. A properly adjusted latch will have even spacing on the right and left of the latch. And the tell is that the gate closes and latches completely unimpeded. Periodically checking and adjusting your gate will help keep your little ones safe and give you peace of mind.